Hello kids! Have you tried adding 4 to any number without using your fingers to get the sum? I will teach you the tricks, so keep watching. Before we start, let's review the parts of your addition equation. The top two numbers are the addends, and the third number is your sum. In my previous tutorials, adding 3 made easy, we placed 3 dots to our number 3. This time, we will put 4 dots since we are adding number 4. Can you guess where to put the 4 dots? Okay, I will show you where. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have the 4 dots. Let us start adding 5 plus 4. Step 1. Put the 4 dots on number 4. Now we have the 4 dots. Let's start counting from the top number, which is number 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our sum is 9. Now we have 6 plus 4. Let's do step 1. Put the dots on number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The girl thinks that the answer is 10. So let's continue counting. We have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. So the answer of this girl is correct. Let's try adding 8 plus 4. Can you guess now what's the next step? If you thought of putting dots on number 4, then you are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you think the kid got the right answer? Let's find out. So let's start counting from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The answer is 12. So he got the correct answer. Now we have 10 plus 4. We have 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, and 4 dots. So this kid here says the answer is 14. Now let's count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So he is right. The answer is 14. Our next number is 15 plus 4. Let's put the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count from 15. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The answer is 19. Ready for a higher number? We have 17 plus 4. Let's put the dots on number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then let's count from 17. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. The answer is 21. Let's add 18 plus 4. Let's put the dots on number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's time to count from 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. The answer is 22. So kids, did you learn how to add by just putting 4 dots on number 4? I hope you did. Thank you for watching this tutorial. You may also check the Filipino English version of this on my channel. Please share and subscribe to see more tutorial uploads. You may also message me on my Facebook page if you are interested for my tutorial services or if you have tutorial requests.